How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can recover deleted world, Minecraft, and Aternos. Now, to simply get on with the video, unfortunately, there's no way in order for you to recover your world unless you have unlocked or you have chosen this backup feature on the Aternos webpage itself. Well, you might have accidentally selected it, so in order to proceed, you just want to head over to the backups category. And then if you have done this before or if you have backups, it will then show up right here. So in that way, you will be able to recover your account. But if it shows you this login page, it means that our account or our world is gone forever and we cannot recover it in any way, shape, or form. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.